Can you add two integers and return their sum without using plus or minus? I'll show you how we can do that. Hi folks, I'm solving Leetcode Top 150 questions, and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 371 sum of two integers. So as I mentioned previously, we have to add two integers and return their sum without using plus or minus operators. So if you think about it, the binary representation of 1 is 0 1 and 2 is 1 0. If we add this will be 1 and this is also be 1, and this is the binary representation of this 3 right here. But we can't use this, so let's think of a way where something like this will result to 1 right here. If you know, we can use this XOR operator, and this is exactly what it gives if we have two values like A and B. But there is one problem with this XOR operator. So let's just say if we do 1 and do like a XOR operator, it gives 0. This 0 is fine, but there is a carry that we will have to use in the next place here to make this addition work. So now let's think about how we can add that carry value. Yeah, so in the bit manipulation, what we can use to get this, we can use A and B, and this will give us our 1 here. But we don't want to add this 1 in this place. We want to add it somewhere here, like on the next bit. So what we can do is we can left shift this by 1. That way we can get our 1 here. You might get a bit of idea like how we are gonna solve it. So we will use two things. One is our XOR operator, which is represented by this. This could be assigned to, let's just say, A, and then this could assign to our B value. And this thing will run on a loop until our B becomes 0 or we don't have a carry element. Yeah, so that way we can solve this. So the code is pretty much straightforward. As I said, we will run until our B is not equal to 0, and here we will assign our A to A XOR B, and our B would be this A and B, and we will shift it by 1 to the left side. One issue is the value of A will be the updated one, and we don't want that. So let's store the value of B in this carry variable, and we will just move it here, and let's assign this carry to B. And once this loop runs, we can return A because A will contain the result. And the time complexity for this, so if you see the constraint here, it is minus 1000 to plus 1000. It will be constant time. Now let me try to run this. It works. Let me submit this. It works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.